What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Torin and we have another Shopify dropshipping video. In this one, today we're going to be talking about finding winning products on AliExpress. It's very easy to find winning products on AliExpress if you follow my simple guide as well as my tips and tricks to do so. So in this video, I will showcase a winning product for you guys. I'm not going to hide it. I'm going to find it right in front of you and we're going to showcase it on how I did so. To give you guys an idea of how easy this is after you find a winning product, I just want to jump into one of my Shopify stores. So I'm still working on this store, so I'm going to only show you certain parts of the analytics, but as you can see here on the right, so between January 17th and the 31st, so this was just 2 weeks ago, I had found a winning product on Facebook and wanted to test it out to see if it would sell profitably. So with I'd say a starting budget of only $200, I was able to create the store, create the product description, as well as find videos that I'd compile from the internet and put together into a couple ads. Then I would go ahead and test these ads and see if we could make any sales profitably. So as you can see here, January 17th to 31st, I'll go a week before the 31st there, and you can see I wasn't running any ads, and then on January 18th was the first time I decided to run some ads. So you can see the progression as we're scaling up. This got to just about $500 a day, and then we basically just kept that going for the next few days to see if it was profitable. I just want to show you how easy it is to find the product, create the page, create the ad, and test the product and see if it's profitable. So as you can see here, in 2 weeks, I was able to bring in just over 2,500 USD from testing the product. So before we get into the video guys, and before I show you this winning product, it'd mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to my channel as well as like the video. It helps me grow and push the video to more people. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. All right guys, so I have a slide deck here for what I basically follow step by step when finding my winning products. So we'll go through it together. So as I mentioned, it's super easy to just go through tons and tons of ads trying to find that winning product. Once you do, it takes about, let's say 3 to 4 days in order to set up your website and ads. And then on the 5th day, you can already start testing. You basically let it run for a couple of days. If it's profitable, you start duplicating and you get into scaling, but that isn't this video. Let's get into finding these winning products. All right, so we've heard it before. There's a million gurus talking about it already, but the general themes of these winning products are it either solves a problem or it's a wow factor. So these are basically the angles you go after when you're trying to sell these products, but either it has to wow you as soon as you see it, or it has to solve some sort of problem that we can attack in terms of the marketing side. So one of the easiest things to do is what I go after is just products that are proven to sell. Especially if you're new to Shopify dropshipping, you're not gonna try to reinvent the whole wheel. Just find something that's working. This will get the cash flow started and get you to focus on branding your product once you find that winning product. Last but not least, you're also wanting good margins. So as the cost of Facebook ads keep going up and the cost per purchase keep going up, your margins will have to be there as well to support that. All right, so as you guys can see here, these are the tools I use for niche research. So I use AliExpress, Dropshipping Center, Google Trends, Facebook, Instagram, Ecom Hunt, and a couple other platforms that you can see winning products like Amazon, for instance. So my sweet spot is that I like to find the product that's around $10 and I can mark it up between 200 to 400%. So for instance, if it's $10, I'd like to sell that product at about $40. I also have here, in terms of your competition, so once you do find that winning product, you just have to Google that product plus a Shopify store, and then all the stores selling that product will come up. You can really attack your competition by seeing what's working for them, what looks really good, what doesn't, and sort of take that and move from there. Second, if you ever find a company that's advertising a bit.ly link in their ad, as long as you put a plus sign on the end of it, it will actually show you the analytics of how many people are clicking through that. As well, there's a little snippet of code you can paste onto the end of anyone's Shopify store that basically gives you their top selling products. So you can go to a store that seems to be doing really well, lots of traffic, and see what products they're selling the most of. So before we go and start trying to find these products, there's a couple more questions I want you guys to ask yourself before you decide a store behind it. So is the product branded? It's very hard to create a store when the product itself has a different name on it or some sort of Chinese name on it. It doesn't look like it's your store or made by you. So it's a lot harder to get that trust. Can you make this store look one product store, or does it have to be a niche store? Does it fit into a larger niche, or is it just this one store specifically for this one product? What's the costs, the shipping, as well as do they offer e-packet, which is normally the cheapest route to do so? Are the pictures clean and usable? Typically, if I know the product I'm gonna be using is a winner, I'll purchase it off Amazon, get it shipped to me in 2 days, and then I'll do the videography and photos myself. But if you aren't knowledgeable with that kind of stuff, then having clean and usable pictures from AliExpress is a huge plus. All right, guys, so the first thing I do when searching for winning products is I just go to Facebook, and there is a Google Chrome extension called Turbo Ad Finder. Now, I've heard it hasn't been working for everyone. It does work for me, so I am gonna make a video on it. This isn't an affiliate whatsoever, but I do use it quite often. So go to Google Chrome, download Turbo Ad Finder, and basically what this does is on your Facebook page, as soon as you turn on as soon as you turn on Turbo Ad Finder, all it does is show you the ads on your Facebook page. It doesn't show you any of the posts, only the ads. So you can basically scroll through hundreds of ads on your Facebook page without going through any posts. And this will show you everything that's being advertised on Facebook right now. So we can just go through Facebook right now. And this is gonna take me quite a while. I'll spend 1 or 2 days just going through ads that are being shown. And now what I'm looking for is anything with tons of engagement. So lots of likes, lots of shares, lots of comments. And if it shows you how many video plays, that's even better. So here you're basically just gonna go through your Facebook page and see what's working and what's not working. So for instance, I literally just landed in less than 3 minutes on an ad that has been seen by over 2 million people. So I'm gonna watch the ad. I'm gonna see why it's so engaging, why people are wanting to watch it. So after I find a winning ad creative on Facebook, I'm gonna go to their page. As you probably know, Facebook has changed their page transparency, so you're able to see absolutely every ad that page is currently running. If this doesn't give you the most information you need to know if the product is winning or not, I'm not sure what else will. So we'll go to page transparency. At the bottom of the page, it does say the page is currently running ads. Well, this is perfect. So we're gonna go to the ad library and take a look at absolutely every ad that this page is running. Okay, so I'm slightly skeptical because there is only 2 ads running. It doesn't seem like it's traditionally super winning. It doesn't seem like it's a traditional winning product. Although it does have 2 million views, it's probably just on this one ad creative, and they've just been running it since January 30th, so only 10 days. It hasn't been that long. So I'm just gonna go back to Facebook, and I'm just going to continue to do the same thing. Another trick slash hack that I do is that you just have to go into Facebook and search shop now, buy now, get yours today. Just phrases like that and see what comes up in terms of videos. All right, so a good way to find winning products is typing in buy now and just seeing how many views each of the video ads have. Now, even though this one, September 9th, 2018, has over 13 million views, some might say that's saturated. Now that has been over a year ago, and sometimes people just forget about the products, and as long as you come out with a new creative, you can then go and sell that same product and it will do just as well. But for instance, I'm trying to find something that hasn't been in the market yet. People don't know where to find it. They don't think they can buy it at any kind of store. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna filter by either this month or this year, or I'm looking for something that has been recently popping off. All right, so I searched buy now on Facebook. I filtered by this month, and this ad was set out on February 5th. So only 5 days ago, and it has over 1 million views. Ding, 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 right there, we know that that's selling. No one is going to show this product to 1 million people if it is not selling. So what I'm gonna do is look at this ad, take a look. Funny, I've actually seen this product before, so I do know it's a winning product. I know there's multiple stores selling it, but I'm gonna do my product research now. I'm gonna go to their Facebook page and see if they're running any more ads. So I can tell this is a new page. They don't have a ton of people following. I'm gonna go to their page transparency, and they're not currently running any ads. So I've gone to their Facebook page, and this is perfect because they're using the bit.ly link. So I'm gonna copy it and go up to a new tab. And basically what I'm gonna do is paste in the link as well as the plus sign. This is gonna show me how many people have been clicking on that link over the last few days. So as you can see here, guys, there has been 36,000 clicks. So even at a 1% conversion rate, at how much were they selling the product for? These people are bringing a shitload of people to their website. So right then and there, I have found a winning product. So I'm gonna paste the link one more time just to see what their landing page looks like. And so they're selling it for $21. The page itself looks like we could do way better. It's very spammy, safe checkout buttons. There's just pictures everywhere. It's really hard to even understand what's going on. Although the product is simple with the video, there's a lot going on this page. It looks like a dropshipping store. It looks really spammy. All right, guys, so with a simple AliExpress search, I was able to find the product on AliExpress for $12.50 Canadian, which is quite cheap. So right there, guys, through these tips and tricks, I was able to find a winning product in less than 10 minutes through these various platforms, and you can too. Now, once you do find that winning product, like I mentioned before, I do have videos on how to design that converting store, as well as how to create ads that convert. So once you find that winning product, guys, build that store, create those ads, and try to run them and see how quickly you can get sales. If you aren't breaking even at least in 2 days, kill the ads and either try new creatives or a new product. I hope you liked this video, guys. Hopefully it gave you some more tips and tricks to use when trying to find those winning products. If you did get value out of the video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, guys, take care.